So yeah, consider all the goofy positions that he was in. Oh, big stretch. And how many times we had to push and prod and get him in a good position there. So Mr. Duke was, what, 47 hours? 47 hours in the making to get you here, dude. So not full poops, you said, just kind of like a little wet dudes.
Yeah.
So working on his lumbars now. So you can see his little belly, see how it kind of bounces as I work through. So just like with you guys, when those joints are locked up and stuck, they don't bounce like the healthy ones do. And so sometimes I feel that a little too. There you go, work it out. Work it out.
No, just when we find too much.
Okay, with a bottle. Do you have a preemie nipple on it still?
The number one. But yeah, just.
The ladies, whenever you're ready, you can come up.
We just gave him, we're like, oh, he wants an extra little half an ounce, and then. But yeah, and with my other daughter, she spit up like every time I fed her.
Yeah.
So.
Sometimes that can be a tie. They're sucking down air at the same time too. The mid back is the area that controls that part of the stomach. So that's what I'm gonna check now. Just kind of something like a little away from me over there. So just like on you guys, when we poke on that spot, might be a little uncomfortable. But we just use his body weight as I'm passing up into that area to help that going back where it needs to be. Keep that tension off the spine. But now that he's out, he looks a little tempting. You know how his head is still kind of leaning up to the right. He was totally leaning to the right in the car seat. So that's an indicator that we're gonna check his upper neck. So because he was transverse and breached for a little bit, did they send him back to the ortho to check his hip?
No.
Not yet. They probably will, but I'll check them. And when we do this full exam, we'll also do that as well. But sometimes when it comes to femurs, you feel the squishier side and the more restrictive side. That's also an indicator for upper cervical. So when his head is turned off to that right side, that atlas instead of staying straight is kind of looking like this. Right? So it looks off to that right side. So I guess I'm doing for hands thing now. Excuse me. Look at all his hair though, man.
Yeah.
Did your daughter have dark hair too?
She did. And now it's like very light.
Light, that's so funny. I don't know if atlas. And if he has a pleasant face, Lauren, on the left of the record button, there's a picture button. You can do that too. As long as those poopy faces don't look sad. She's like, oh, there we go. Get it out, man. That was a quick adjustment. So usually pretty quick after the first adjustment, they'll give a good diaper for you. Maybe before you leave the office.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Man, for your whirlwind of a birth, you sure are chill. Yeah, right? Everyone always says that.
But I actually, my other daughter was like, not I didn't think she realized how I didn't.
It's a good thing I don't have a microphone on me. You'd be blowing up that video. Lower surface. So nice to be out with all this room to stretch out, man. We were trying to find space in there, you just couldn't find it. So the two bones that help turn the neck are C1 and C5. I cleared C1. When I was turning his head to the left, it still wasn't moving all the way. It's lower surface.
And he's like laying on me. I try to rotate it, so. This way, lean that way.
That looks really good though. Being off in the goofy position.
Yeah.
You know,
Heater monitor was like,
Stuck on him, yeah, he's got a little scratch right there. Check his mouth afterwards. He's not too mad. Sleep right through it. Do you feel like his stuff is nice and strong, or do you feel like it's a little weak in that circle?
strong but just off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does he have a favorite side?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that your favorite side?
Yes.
Yeah, I like to try to set the other way. Check the left foot. So cute right now. So that extension is really important for the nursing, right? So when he does the latch, you want to make sure that your nipple is always higher than his mouth. So he extends his head to get it in.
Okay.
Yes, no motion comes from occiput, which is very restricted on him. Hey, buddy. What, 3 weeks?
Yeah. Yesterday. He turned 3 weeks.
Crazy. 3 day, I saw it yesterday. Oh, big one. There you go. Now you see that.
Yeah. But yeah, I did a whole week of in bed doing nothing and
Good.
rested. So
Checking his mouth is good. Wait, can I open tight? Hi. Hi. Can I keep you on my mouth? Yes? Like, I don't know about you, lady. Feeling kind of peaceful right now. You said lactation looked good?
in the hospital, yeah, which is that's a little bit limited.
Did they look at his lips, or did they just look at his latch?
Yeah, we love David.
I just kind of was like, take a look and
What did you think?
yeah.
His upper lip feels a little tight to me. Hard to get it to flange and to
Yeah.
flip up over his
Yeah, we
nose.
will.
Yeah.